Hey everyone, are you ready to dive into the exciting world of YouTube? It's an awesome platform where you can share your passions, connect with others, and even build a community around what you love. Whether you're into gaming, cooking, music, or anything in between, there is a place for you on YouTube. Starting a YouTube channel might seem daunting at first, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Together, we'll break down the process into manageable steps from creating your channel to sharing your first video and beyond. So, grab your camera, let's get started and have some fun along the way. Remember, the most important thing is to be yourself and let your personality shine through. YouTube is all about authenticity and connecting with your audience on a personal level. So relax, be confident, and let's make some awesome videos together. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Let's do this. Before you hit that record button, let's talk about your channel's niche. What are you passionate about? What do you love talking about for hours on end? Your niche is simply the main topic or theme that your channel will focus on. Choosing a niche is important because it helps you attract a dedicated audience who are genuinely interested in what you have to say. Think about it, people subscribe to channels because they want to see more of what they love. So, what's your thing? Maybe you're a whiz at baking and want to share your delicious creations with the world. Or perhaps you are a gamer with a knack for explaining complex strategies. Whatever it is, make sure it's something you're genuinely excited about because that passion will shine through in your videos. Remember, your niche doesn't have to be super specific, but it should give your channel a clear direction and purpose. Once you have found your niche, you are well on your way to creating a channel that people will love. Now that you know what you want to share with the world, it's time to create your YouTube channel. And guess what? You will need a Google account for that. Don't worry, it's super easy and free to set up. First, head over to Google's website and click on the sign in button. If you already have a Google account, just enter your email address and password. If not, click on Create Account and follow the simple steps to create one. Google will ask you for some basic information like your name, birth date, and gender. Once you have filled everything out, agree to the terms of service, and voila, you now have a Google account. This Google account is your key to the entire Google universe, including YouTube. It's like your digital passport that lets you access all of Google's services. Pretty cool, right? Alright, we are making progress. With your Google account ready, it's time to build your very own YouTube channel. This is where you will showcase your awesome videos and connect with your audience. Head over to youtube.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you are in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. You will see a drop down menu with a bunch of options. Click on your channel. Now comes the fun part, choosing a channel name. This is how viewers will find you. And remember, you so make it catchy, memorable, and relevant to your niche. You can use your real name, a nickname, or get creative with a brand name. Once you have chosen the perfect name, click on Create Channel. And that's it. You have officially created your YouTube channel. Congratulations! You are one step closer to sharing your passions with the world. Section 5. Make it your own. Branding your channel. Your YouTube channel is like your own little corner of the internet. So let's make it look awesome and reflect your unique style. This is where branding comes in. Think of it as giving your channel a personality that viewers will instantly recognize and connect with. First impressions matter. So let's start with a killer profile picture. Choose a high quality image that represents you or your channel's theme. It could be a logo, a picture of you, or anything visually appealing that captures your brand's essence. Next up, your channel art. This is the large banner image that sits at the top of your channel page. Get creative and design something eye catching that showcases your niche and personality. You can use free online tools like Canva to create stunning channel art without any design experience. Don't forget to write an engaging channel description that tells viewers who you are, what your channel is about, and what they can expect to see. Keep it concise, interesting, and sprinkle in some relevant keywords so people can easily find you. Section 6. Lights. Camera. Action. Creating your first video. Now for the moment you have been waiting for, creating your first YouTube video. This is where you get to unleash your creativity and share your passions with the world. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as you might think. First things first, you need to decide what your video will be about. Think about your niche and what your target audience would be interested in. Once you have a topic, create a simple script or outline to keep your thoughts organized. You don't need fancy equipment to make great videos. Your smartphone or laptop camera is a great starting point. Just make sure you have a good lighting and clear audio. You can even invest in an affordable external microphone to improve your sound quality. When it comes to editing, there are tons of free and paid video editing softwares options available. Start with a simple program like iMovie or Windows Movie Maker and explore more advanced software as you gain experience. Let's create amazing content together. Section 7. Sharing your masterpiece, uploading and optimizing your video. You have poured your heart and soul into creating an awesome video, and now it's time to share it with the world. Uploading your video to YouTube is a piece of cake. Just sign into your channel, click on the upload icon, and select your video file. While your video is uploading, take some time to optimize it for search and discoverability. This means adding relevant keywords and phrases to your video's title, description, and tags. Think about what people might type into the YouTube search bar when looking for videos like yours. Your video's thumbnail is also crucial for attracting viewers. Choose an eye catching image that accurately represents your video's content and entice people to click. You can use a still frame from your video or create a custom thumbnail using graphic design software. Once you have optimized everything, hit that publish button and watch your video go live. Congratulations! You are officially a YouTuber. Section 8, Spreading the Word. Promoting your channel. Your video is out there in the vast world of YouTube. But how do you get people to actually watch it? That's where promotion comes in. Think of it as spreading the word about your awesome content and attracting viewers to your channel. Social media is your best friend when it comes to promoting your YouTube videos. Share your videos on all your social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and encourage people to check out your channel. Don't underestimate the power of community engagement. Join Facebook groups, Reddit communities, and online forums related to your niche. Participate in discussions, share your expertise, and subtly promote your channel when appropriate. Collaborating with other YouTubers is another great way to reach a wider audience. Find creators in your niche and reach out to them about potential collaboration opportunities. You can create joint videos, guest star on each other's channels, or simply give each other a shout out. Section 9, Consistency is key. Keep the content flowing. Congratulations on uploading your first video. Now, the key to building a successful YouTube channel is consistency. That means uploading new videos regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Think of it like your favorite TV show. You get hooked on it because you know there's a new episode every week or so. The same goes for YouTube channels. Your viewers want to know when they can expect fresh content from you. Create a realistic upload schedule that you can stick to, whether it's once a week, twice a month, or whatever works best for you. The key is to be consistent and deliver on your promise to your viewers. Remember, quality trumps quantity. It's better to upload one amazing video a month than to churn out mediocre content every day. Focus on creating videos that you are proud of and that provide value to your audience. Section 10, Listen to your audience. Engaging with your viewers. Building a successful YouTube channel isn't just about talking at your audience. It's about building a community and engaging with your viewers. Think of them as your biggest fans and supporters and treat them accordingly. Respond to comments on your videos, answer questions, and acknowledge your viewers' feedback. Show them that you are listening and that you care about what they have to say. This two-way interaction is what fosters a sense of community and loyalty. Pay attention to the comments and messages you receive. What kind of videos do your viewers want to see more of? What topics are they most interested in? Use this valuable feedback to shape your future content and give your audience what they crave. Don't be afraid to ask your viewers for their opinions and suggestions. Create polls, Q&A sessions and behind the scenes videos to involve them in your creative process. The more engaged your audience is, the more successful your channel will be. Section 11. You did it. Keep creating and inspiring. You did it. You have taken the plunge and created your very own YouTube channel. That's something to be proud of. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. The world of YouTube is constantly evolving. So embrace the learning process and never stop experimenting. Keep creating awesome content that you are passionate about. And don't be afraid to try new things. Experiment with different video formats, explore new editing techniques, and always strive to improve your craft. Most importantly, have fun. YouTube is an incredible platform for sharing your passions, connecting with others, and making a difference in the world. So go out there, create amazing content, and inspire others to do the same. And hey, who knows? Maybe one day you will be the one giving advice to aspiring YouTubers. The possibilities are endless. Keep creating, keep inspiring, and never stop dreaming. Subscribe for more.